today is on a Sunday. It's the 4th of August, and right now we are at 11:59. I just completed doing my house chores, and I feel so good but so tired. And all I want to do is cook some lunch, but I do not have food or stock zangu zimeisha, like food stock imeisha, so tutaenda kwa soko kununua some stuff, things like unga, tomatoes. So I want you guys to come with me at the market. And guys, if I sound so tired, please bear with me. I'm so tired, like it was one of sleep or something, but nimesema silali. I have to do a video for you guys, and this is it. I'm really trying to be consistent with this YouTube stuff, and we shall see how it goes. So guys, make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more content. And yes, we should go. Before we go to the market, I think I need to show you guys my, let me say, a snippet of my kitchen. It's not that big. Guys, this is my kitchen. I have just decided to give you a small house tour of my small kitchen. It's small but I love it, and it's very so vile nilikuwa nawaambia, we are supposed to go and do some grocery shopping. I just need to take my gunia hapa nitaenda sokoni. Na guys, I don't know if I will be able to film at the market because I'm afraid. I'm scared of people looking at me weirdly. Oh man, I don't know if I'll be able to do that. It's my first time, guys, filming at market, like in public. I have never tried to put a camera on myself or something in public. Will I manage? Guys, I'm scared. I'm even shaking, but we got this. Squeezy, we got this. Squeezy. You wanna jump in, like hata kama I'm scared of something, I just have to try doing it. And once I get to do it, I'll feel so happy that I managed or I accomplished. Like, yeah, let me just overcome my fear and go to the market and film. I'm even telling myself that I don't need to go at the market and buy some grocery stuff, but I have to because okay, about enough of my complaining and and fears. But guys, tunaenda vile tuko. No, guys, never here. I'm just having a sweater in these pants. So we go. Okay.
I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'll enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see, nothing to talk about. Oh, this was no way to live right now.
Finally, guys, I did it. I went shopping and I'm back home. So I want to show you what I got. Okay. So at first we have onions. We have some fresh, I don't know what these are called, fresh mbaazi. Then guys, I got some ukwaju because I like viazi karai, and at most I prefer my viazi karai with ukwaju. So I got 8 of these. garlic and fresh tomatoes. Okay. And I got a cabbage. Then over here we have tissue, some flour, I got this washing powder. It's gonna sit where a bar soap. I also got juice for myself. Some tomatoes, chili here. Alafu hapa tuko na unga wa uji, wenye wanapenda uji. Got sugar, downy, I also got these washing whatever, scoring pads. I don't know, they call scoring pads or whatever. My body oil. And some yellow beans. Yeah, this soya beans. I was about to call this yellow beans, but guys, that's it. That's it from my shopping. That's it. We're done. You see, I got some stuff, but they're not much. Not that much. Oh, actually, I forgot to. Not actually, I didn't forget some maize flour.
Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. But I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too fast. See you the top down.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to be with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, King will heal you. Before him, adore him, he will give you everything. Come and take your wedding, going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.